First time you... This is the Beefstuk. I buy it in the Lidl. It is 500 grams. And I use dato puti with calamansi. First, we wash it in the water and we put the dato puti. We don't need calamansi because it is already with the soy sauce. And then we prepare the garlic. We have to use this machine so that not so much work to do, and I can put many as I want because that is very nice, no? Then I put it here, everything. Then I mix it all, and then it must be stay a little bit longer. Put the pepper and the red pepper also. I also put the sambal so that it is nice, a little bit with the sili. Then I mix it all. It must be stay longer, like 1 hour or 2 hours, it depends. Then prepare, and I put it in the pan, everything, and I start cooking. Just do like that and leave it. And I prepare the onions, slice it so that we can put it in the beefstuk. And I put the olive oil and mix it properly. Then I put the onions and mix it. So it looks yummy. Even if it is not yet finished, sarap. Then I prepare the red pepper, sweet pepper. Slice it because we have to put it in the beefstuk. Ready to put in the beefstuk. Then as you can see that it is already cooked, it is already not hard, it is already smooth. Then that's the time you put the red pepper. And mix it until it will be cooked. Sarap siya, super sarap talaga. No salt, no cubes. And then we put the small vegetables and mix it. Yung soy sauce ang nagbigay ng lasa. And then we have to mix it, the small vegetables. At saka yung karne din, kasi ang karne, fresh kasi siya eh. So, yan din ang nakapagbigay ng lasa. Masarap siya kahit walang cubes. Luto na siya. My husband like it very much and he bring it at work. Kasi first time niyang kumain dito. Sabi niya sarap.
But this one is not so much salty.